Take down and emotions feel like I never.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm ready to kiss back here. Rocking the grandpa outfit. Gonna give you guys a POV test drive of this amazing 2008 Toyota Prius. Let me put my seatbelt on, take the brake off, and let's head out. So, hope you guys are doing well. I'm out here taking a right. Let's get it going. And yeah, here we go. Get a little speed. This is my little POV test drive of the second gen. This is the Grand Touring model. Has JBL speakers. Yeah, it's kind of busting outside. There's a lot of people out here walking. That's good. And I'm just here making some content. I think I'm gonna go play some basketball after this video. Slow down for this lady. But yeah, guys, we're back out here with another POV test drive. It's kind of like a residential slash back road type road. Very beautiful outside. We have the fall slash autumn vibes going on. The leaves are changing colors. But as you can see, we're currently getting 35 miles per gallon. 46.9. What's up, little one? It's probably like, what's that on his head? But yeah, I have the GoPro attached to my hat. I don't know if you saw at the beginning of the video, but my reflection, it's underneath the cap of the hat. So I get a weird look when other people see me. Does not hinder my driving at all. I can still see fine with the camera on. It just helps with the view on YouTube. I think this is the best position for the camera. It kind of literally gives you almost eye level. This is basically eye level of what I'm seeing on the road. And I'm just gonna slow down here, tight turn. That's a nice little twisty road. This road almost feels like a racetrack in my opinion. Just because of the sharp turns, and it's very windy, which I like. Something going on over at the horse farm over there. But yeah, super beautiful scenery. And we're just cruising along. Let's see, which way should I go? I think I'm gonna go right. A little bit more back road. Stop for the stop sign. But yeah, beautiful day today. Super excited to give you guys this footage. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I have another POV test drive video that I made, and it's, you know, receiving quite a good amount of viewage, which I am very pleased about. Shout out to all the supporters and viewers. I really appreciate it. Oh, here comes the sun. I'm gonna put that down. I need to clean the windshield. I should have done it before this video, but I'm a clean person. Don't get me wrong. And I have a little bit of wiper fluid. Okay, so hopefully problem solved. This is a new circle. I do not like it. It used to be just a little road that would continue. And get a little gas right there. Okay. Show a little acceleration, you know what I'm saying? I think I have 93 octane in the tank right now, and I think it actually helps the performance of the car. I truly do. I feel like the 93 octane in the Prius, it might be a placebo, but I feel like it's more responsive, especially at the higher speeds when I'm on the highway. I feel like it kind of just keeps going and going. But they have a lot of speed cameras on this road, so not that I promote speeding or anything, but you can't really go too fast over the speed limit. Look at that 99 miles per gallon. That is only something I see in either a hybrid or a Prius. And Priuses are fairly common. I see them all the time. Good car. And I'm gonna make this left right here. Nice little area right here. And yeah. There's no speed camera on this road, but I'll just chill. Oh, got a little soccer game going on over there. This is a nice park. I like the ball here. Like I said, guys, beautiful day outside, nice fall weather. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. I've been posting quite a bit of different types of content. Go check out my Modern Warfare gameplay montages. I go very hard on that editing, so tell me what you think about that. I also have a Mercedes videos on my channel also, if you have not checked that out also. And I still have some more Prius footage. I enjoy making these Prius videos. But like I said, guys, thank you for watching. Beautiful day out. I'm gonna go enjoy it. Like I said, like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more content. Love you guys, all of you, men and women, and whatever else is out there. But anyways, thank you for watching. Catch you guys soon. Peace.
Heard it before. Live shows, him and spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea, and I'm stuck up on the